Most people get this wrong. They think finance apps only track spending. FutureWave Finance in 2026 proves that a modern finance app can actively help you grow your money while keeping you organized. FutureWave allows you to set multiple financial goals, whether it's debt repayment, building an emergency fund, or saving for a big purchase. Its smart algorithms automatically allocate your money to each goal based on your income and spending patterns. Small, consistent contributions can accumulate faster than you'd expect, thanks to automated transfers and compounding interest. The app also provides real-time alerts for bills, subscriptions, and potential overspending. Its visual dashboard makes it easy to see your overall financial health at a glance. You can track progress toward each goal, identify trends in your spending, and discover ways to save more efficiently. Security is robust. FutureWave uses multi-factor authentication, encryption, and continuous fraud monitoring. All deposits are FDIC insured, and support is available by chat or email for any questions or concerns. The limitation: FutureWave focuses on personal finance management and automated savings. It doesn't offer advanced investing or wealth management tools, but for users who want a modern, secure, and automated approach to budgeting and saving, it's a strong contender. So, is FutureWave Finance worth it in 2026? Definitely. If you want a smart, automated way to track spending and grow savings simultaneously, FutureWave is worth checking out. Subscribe for more insights on apps that can help you take control of your financial future.